This is the elevator at Bentley Hall at Allegheny College in Meadville, Pennsylvania. It's a custom Otis Gen2 with innovation prestige hall stations and brass. Indicator error acting weird. But it's just a regular stainless steel Otis on the inside. Go up to 3, here we go up. Here 3. Back down to ground. Certificate installed in 2021. It's a basic Otis cherry wood cab laminate. It's creaky Gen 2 here back at ground. That's interesting on the outside, it's all custom. There's no access hoist way keys, which is your custom, that's going to be it.